Porcupines, the quill-covered guardians of the forest, welcome to the fascinating world of porcupines, one of nature's most unique and misunderstood creatures. Uncovered in sharp quills and possessing an endearing charm, porcupines are animals that evoke both curiosity and caution. These remarkable rodents, found across the globe, play vital roles in their ecosystems and have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. In this documentary, we'll delve into the world of porcupines, exploring their behavior, biology, adaptations, and ecological importance. Porcupines belong to the rodent family and are classified into two main groups: Old World porcupines, found in Africa, Europe, and Asia, and New World porcupines, native to the Americas. Despite their differences, these two groups share some common characteristics, such as their iconic quills, herbivorous diet, and nocturnal habits. The most defining feature of a porcupine is, of course, its quills. These sharp, needle-like structures are modified hairs made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails. Quills serve as the porcupine's primary defense mechanism, deterring predators with their sharp points. Contrary to popular belief, porcupines cannot shoot their quills, but these spines detach easily when touched, embedding themselves in the attacker's skin. Old World porcupines, such as the African crested porcupine, tend to have longer, sturdier quills and prefer life on the ground. In contrast, New World porcupines, like the North American porcupine, have shorter quills and are adept climbers, spending much of their time in trees. This distinction reflects the diverse habitats porcupines occupy, from dense forests and grasslands to rocky terrains and deserts. Porcupines are herbivores, feeding primarily on bark, leaves, fruits, and roots. They play a significant ecological role as seed dispersers, helping to maintain the biodiversity of their habitats. By consuming fruits and excreting seeds in different locations, porcupines contribute to forest regeneration and plant distribution. Their feeding habits also help to prune vegetation, encouraging new growth. While porcupines are solitary animals for most of the year, they become more social during the breeding season. Mating rituals often involve vocalizations, scent marking, and even quill displays. After a gestation period of about 3 to 7 months, depending on the species, the female gives birth to 1 or 2 offspring, called porcupets. Porcupets are born with soft quills that harden within a few hours of birth, providing immediate protection. These young porcupines grow quickly, learning to climb, forage, and avoid predators under the watchful eyes of their mothers. By the time they are a few months old, they are ready to venture out on their own, continuing the cycle of life. Porcupines have adapted to a wide range of environments, from the cold boreal forests of Canada to the arid deserts of Africa. Their ability to climb trees gives them access to food sources that other animals cannot reach, while their quills protect them from predators such as big cats, birds of prey, and snakes. Despite their effective defenses, porcupines face numerous threats in the wild. Natural predators like fishes, leopards, and owls have developed strategies to avoid the quills and target the vulnerable underbelly of the porcupine. However, human activities pose a much greater threat to porcupine populations. Deforestation and habitat destruction are among the most significant challenges facing porcupines. As forests are cleared for agriculture, urban development, and logging, porcupines lose their homes and food sources. Additionally, porcupines are often hunted for their meat, quills, and hides, which are used in traditional crafts and rituals in some cultures. Climate change is another emerging threat. Altered weather patterns and rising temperatures impact the availability of food and water, forcing porcupines to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. For species that depend on specific habitats, such as the tree-dwelling New World porcupines, these changes can be particularly devastating. Efforts to protect porcupines and their habitats are crucial for their survival. Conservation organizations work to raise awareness about the importance of porcupines in ecosystems, advocating for sustainable land use and the preservation of forests. Legal protections, such as hunting bans and wildlife reserves, also play a vital role in safeguarding these unique creatures. Porcupines hold a special place in the folklore and traditions of many cultures. In Native American stories, the porcupine often symbolizes protection and resourcefulness, while in African tales, it is celebrated for its resilience and adaptability. These cultural connections highlight the respect and admiration that humans have long held for this remarkable animal. Porcupines also play an essential role in scientific research. Their quills have inspired innovations in medicine and technology, including the development of better surgical needles and adhesives. By studying porcupines, scientists gain valuable insights into the natural world and how different species adapt to their environments. Porcupines remind us of the resilience and ingenuity of nature. These quill-covered creatures, often overlooked, play critical roles in their ecosystems and serve as a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. By protecting porcupines and their habitats, we contribute to the preservation of biodiversity and the health of our planet. Let us celebrate the porcupine as a symbol of adaptability, strength, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Together, we can ensure that these remarkable animals continue to thrive, inspiring wonder and respect for generations to come.